Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the Meow Adventure boob set in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to go to this menu, the Gilded Acorn Exhibition, and we're going to scroll down and you can open this Meow Adventure set, and it's the boob version. And if you want to unlock it, you need to have the moonlight crystals, so make sure that you have enough moonlight crystals to unlock this set. Okay, and for the first draw I need 30 moonlight crystals. Okay, let's see what I get. Okay, I got the boob loose socks. Yeah, not bad. And for the next draw, I need 60 moonlight crystals. And yeah, you can keep drawing until you get the full set. And of course, you need to farm the moonlight crystals first. Okay guys, and that's how we can unlock the Meow Adventure set in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!